everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into a crucial component for anyone maintaining a Canon IPF-500 printer, the PRTA19513 control panel replacement part. This isn't just any part. It's the interface that allows users to interact with their large format printer, making its functionality absolutely vital for smooth operation and productivity. Now, before anyone considers purchasing this replacement, there are some extremely important details that need to be understood, and frankly, they are non-negotiable for a successful experience. The vendor explicitly states that these replacement control panels come in one of two conditions, either original refurbished or compatible new. The catch: which one a user receives is entirely random. This is a significant point, and the seller is very clear. If a user has a strong preference or concern about receiving either a refurbished original or a brand new compatible unit, they absolutely should not place an order. It's a matter of managing expectations upfront to avoid any disappointment later on. Beyond the condition, the physical compatibility is paramount. The information provided stresses the absolute necessity for potential buyers to meticulously check the item's appearance, its exact size, and its color. This replacement part must be compared directly with the original control panel currently installed in the user's IPF-500 machine. This isn't a mere suggestion. It's a critical step to ensure a perfect fit and seamless integration. A slight difference in a mounting tab, a connector, or even the shade of a button could render the part unusable, leading to frustration and wasted time during installation. Furthermore, while a model number like PRTA19513 is provided for reference, it's not the sole determinant of compatibility. The advice is clear: if the replacement part does not visually match the original part, or if the part number on the actual component isn't identical, then it's best not to proceed with the order. Printers, especially professional-grade ones like the ImagePrograph series, can have subtle variations even within the same model line, or different revisions of parts over their production run. Relying solely on a model number without a thorough visual confirmation is a recipe for error that can easily be avoided with a careful comparison. This particular item is categorized simply as Other, which is common for specialized internal components that don't fit into broader categories. What users can expect in the package is straightforward: one single piece of the control panel. There are no additional accessories or tools mentioned, so users should be prepared to use their existing tools for the installation process. In essence, while this replacement control panel offers a viable solution for a malfunctioning Canon IPF-500, the purchasing process demands a high degree of diligence from the buyer. It's about being fully aware of the random condition of the part, performing rigorous visual checks against the original component, and confirming the exact part number and appearance. For those who take these precautions, this replacement part could be the key to bringing their valuable Canon ImagePrograph IPF-500 back to full operational capacity, extending its lifespan and ensuring continued productivity for their projects. It's a practical solution, but one that requires careful consideration before clicking that purchase button.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.